Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting your digital information, your devices and assets from unauthorized access and damage. This is the single biggest threat to all size businesses and shouldn't be taken lightly. According to an article on IBM's website in 2020, the average cost of a data breach was $162 per file. Let's just say you only have 6,300 files. For a small business, it's about 24 gigs. At $162 per file, that would cost just over $1 million. These costs include the expense of discovery and responding to a breach. Now, add the cost of downtime, loss of revenue, and the long-term reputation damage to your business and its brand. Stay tuned for my next video to discover the top strategies the bad guys use so you can avoid becoming the next victim. I'm Sid Rothenberg. You own your technology. We support it for you. See you next time.